Today I got my artist friend Myles coming over and we've got 1 hour to record, mix and produce a full song, and then we're going to show my manager at the end of it and see what he thinks. Let's get it. Look who it is. What's up? Alright, so this guy's eating a burrito. We've got 1 hour on the clock starting now. It's about 6 o'clock, so we'll finish at 7. So I think I'll just play something on the keyboard, something real simple so that Myles will be able to get some top line melodies over it. Little tip here. So if you put a ride in like once every bar, then it gives a real cool effect for acoustic drums. Alright, I think I'm just gonna add a quick clapping loop just to finish off the drums and add a little bit of bounce to it. I have no idea if those are gonna be good or not. We just play it, it's like God, it's like not even the same song. I'm gonna just double these and then pan them one left and one right so that it just gives a wider effect to the claps. So it's done. We've got 45 minutes left. We've got a bit of a beat structured out here. What do you think of this?
Yeah, bro, it's pretty good, man.
We've got some good melodies sounding, so I think now we just gotta knuckle down and get some lyrics. About across the 30-minute mark. Let's grind, bro. Let's ride.
Lay it down, brother.
She acts like a diva when I see her dancing and feed her. You know that I've been dreaming of a better life. You know that I've been dreaming of a...
Bro, if we just lay that chorus, that'll be crazy.
So I need to time.
Yeah, I should have put the metronome on, to be honest.
Yeah, that's actually your fault, really.
Alright, 20 minutes left. We've stepped out a bit of a song. We've got the... I don't know what you call that, I guess a pre-chorus?
Yeah, I get it.
Yeah, and then like first half of the chorus.
You know that I've been dreaming of a better life. It's so hard to...
And then we'll go into something here. So right now what we've got to do is fill out some sort of vocal thing in the second part of the chorus, and then a bit of a verse here, back into pre-chorus, back into chorus, and then we just repeat the chorus twice. And that's a bit of a song. Alright, so it's grind time. Oh yeah, it's a falsetto, yeah, that's hard.
So dreaming of a better life.
Try slightly different melody.
Dreaming of a better life.
Oh shit. Dude, what if it was like... Alright, we're just gonna have to get onto the...
Yeah,
we're
we're
gonna
time, bro.
Just by the way, I can't play guitar at all. But I'm gonna try and freestyle something. I feel like it needs it. That's a bit outrageous. Okay, that's it. Fill that out.
I'm trying to do it quicker.
Alright, 13 minutes. We're grinding the though. We're pretty much done. I just really want to get some background vocals on it. I'll just finish the song.
Deep do you think that we're falling? I'm still in need, darling. We've both seen things that are haunting. You set me free of my darkness. For when I see her, when we...
Alright, bro.
Nice.
We can do some little things
Bro,
here,
let's
bro.
do some. Normally we do like 10 layers, at least 10 layers, and pick the best one. But like, what can you do, bro, when you got fucking 1 hour? Alright, let's just go through and add some vocals. 6 minutes.
Leaving, I've been terrified. See when I sleep at night. Dreaming of a better life. Yeah, darling. The hauntings. Know that I've been dreaming of a better life. It's so hard.
Damn,
Yeah, last time up.
Cook, my boy. The worst song.
Bro, it's not the worst song we've made, and that's actually embarrassing.
I mean, obviously, if you flesh it out, it'd be better.
Yeah,
Like,
word.
did better takes and stuff. But even, bro, for that amount of time, it just shows how quickly you can do it, bro.
Yeah, word.
Just get a bass idea down. That's all you need to do, is get the bass, and then you can
And
flesh
then you
it out.
can
from
just,
this point.
then you just spend days perfecting the little things. Should we call Bergs? See what he thinks
we're
of
gonna see what
it?
the manager's thinking,
See.
bro.
Right,
And hopefully this passes the test, bro.
Yo, we made a song in 1 hour, me and Myles. We want to see what you think of it. And we got Dylan as well. Oh, we got Face Resi as well. Listen to this, we'll show you up to the chorus. Tell us what you think.
She acts like a diva when I see her. When we're dancing, feed her. Won't take you to a place where we can leave all the demons. And you know that I've been dreaming of a better life. It's so hard to believe that I've been terrified. It's all that I can see when I sleep at night. It's all that I can see when I sleep at night. So dreaming of a better life. So dreaming of a better life.
Bro, that's insane. Leveling up in 2024, bro. That is insane.
What do you think, Face Resi?
Incredible.
Sure.
Even just after that, it's been pretty sick reflecting on, like, if you have a time constraint, if you just force yourself to put stuff down instead of just like overthinking everything and waiting time. Like we normally spend way longer. Sometimes I get in loops for like hours and I can't come up with any lyrics. But if you put a time constraint on it, you have to get it down. It will just make you do stuff quicker.
Like you have to use the first thing that comes to your head, which is a cool little exercise.
Yeah, honestly, Put an actual time constraint, putting pressure on yourself to finish it. If you want to finish songs and get them done, then I think that's a good way to do it.
Yeah. Sweet, so that's the whole video. If you made it to the end, thank you so much.
Subscribe to this man. He puts in the work,
Bro.
makes incredible videos, he's an incredible producer.
Nah, but seriously, any subscription or like or comment means the world. It really helps out, really trying to do this music thing. Yeah, with that said, see you in the next video. Later.